हाय गाइस, रोहित महाजन दिस साइड। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 5 बेसिक स्टेप्स टू स्टार्ट ए गूगल एडवर्ड्स पीपीसी। तो बेसिकली लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ कि गूगल एडवर्ड्स होता क्या है। गूगल एडवर्ड्स होता है जब आप गूगल पे सर्च करते हो तो व्हेन यू सी द एड्स इन इट, सो दोज एड्स आर एक्चुअली मैनेज्ड बाय गूगल एडवर्ड्स। सो वी मैनेज दोज एड्स थ्रू गूगल एडवर्ड्स। तो this is this is basically Google, uh, the whole control panel, the whole software of it is called AdWords. So when you have to place an ad on Google, so that whenever someone searches for the keyword or something, you can actually uh, you know target your keywords and target your placement and everything in it. So let's talk about 5 basic steps to start Google AdWords. So सबसे पहले उसके अंदर आता है account setup. तो you have to sign up for the account, and you have to actually you know uh, put money in it, your card, your bank account, and put money in the AdWords account. And then you have to have your website. uh, you know you need to put the contact us page, the basic stuff, the basic website, a place where they can purchase purchase um, the product you are selling, or they can sign up for the for your services, or they can fill a lead form. तो ये तो हो गया बेसिक वेबसाइट, हाउ यू सेटअप द वेबसाइट, हाउ यू create the account and everything. After that we come to the account setup. So what happens in the account setup is you need to basically structure the account. So in structuring the account is, first is your AdWords account. So after AdWords accounts, you have your campaigns. In those campaigns you have AdWords, sorry, ad groups. And in those ad groups you have your particular ads and your particular keywords. So let's start with the keywords first. So keywords are, there are 3-4 types of keywords basically. So I mean the keyword match types basically. So let's say someone searches for Nike shoes. So so let's say you are selling X type of Nike shoes only. So you aren't selling all types of Nike shoes. So and someone searches for Nike shoes only. So it's up to you that whether you want to target those keywords, or you want to target Nike shoes X. So when you will be targeting Nike shoes X, so that's kind of more intended keyword. So there are far more chances of someone buying the exact, I mean the exact product, rather than the broad match. So there are different types of key matches in broad match. um, you know if in case someone searches Nike shoes X, or they are searching Nike shoes um, Y, uh, in both the cases your ad will be shown if you are using broad match type keyword for Nike shoes. So second is phrase match. In phrase match, it's more or less like the word should come in the keyword. The phrase match is more or less like, let's say, uh, Nike, buy Nike shoes. So in this, if you are targeting Nike shoes as a uh, keyword, and buy Nike shoes is a phrase, so it's more or less like a phrase match. And another example of phrase match is, how do I buy Nike shoes? So if in case someone searches for how do I buy Nike shoes, and Nike shoes is there in the keyword, and you're using phrase match, so it will show your ads. So difference between broad match and phrase match is, broad match will you know actually try to find more keywords related to that keyword. Let's suppose if you're using the term Nike shoes, so it might show your ads for the other shoes as well, for just for, let's say, Adidas shoes or maybe another kind of shoes. So but in um, phrase match, it will be more like, a line. uh, there's one more term which is called modified broad match. In modified broad match, what happens is, you know uh, we use the sign plus along with the uh, what do you call it, this your keyword. Let's suppose it's Nike shoes, so we can use Nike plus shoes. So uh, so let's suppose if the modified broad term is Nike plus shoes, this is the keyword. So it might show the ads on the evening shoes, black dress shoes, or maybe Adidas shoes, or things like this. So exact matches the exact keyword. When someone searches for the exact keywords, your ad will show only and then when someone is showing the uh, when someone is searching for the exact keyword. So exact match is more or less like, let's suppose if you are, so we use this bracket for the exact match. So let's suppose we are using the term Nike shoes X, and then we close the bracket. So if someone searches for Nike shoes Y, your ad won't show. Your ad will only show when someone searches for Nike shoes X. All right. So, and the second point is, you need to strategize your content. So what happens is, we basically uh, we have a limited amount of space. We have limited amount of space to put up our uh, ads. So there are more or less like 25 characters of headline, and then 70 characters of ad text, and then 35 characters of display URL. So you need to clear your intentions about the ad. You need to clear the goals about the ad. You need to clear the whole story about the ad. So the ad and the landing page should be in line. It shouldn't be like, you are uh, writing something about the ad at one place, and then when someone visits your website, they get surprised and they find something else. So you need to strategize that thing. You need to think about the ad. You need to think about how you are going to place your ad, how and what kind of content you're going to put into the ads. Because at the end of the day, it's all about what is being shown to the user. So if you aren't paying attention over there, then things will get dirty, really dirty. uh, all right. Next thing is, create an awesome landing page. You need to make sure that you use all the best practices in creating the landing page. You need to make sure that the landing page should have something which actually the user desires. So there should be some kind of value. There should be some kind of curiosity. There should be some kind of lead magnet. A lead magnet is something, which we provide in this, which in this we provide some kind of value in exchange of the lead, the name, email, contact address, phone number, anything. So um, you should be paying a lot of attention on the landing page. Create a beautiful landing page. The landing page should be valuable. The landing page shouldn't have grammatical errors. The landing page should be in the paragraphs, and the content should be the content should be visual as well, if in case possible. There should be videos, images, uh, you know good heavy, not, I'm not saying heavy landing page, but at least uh, the landing page should be valuable. There should be a lot of value in the landing page, and there should be a lot of curiosity as well. So um and one more thing, you need to understand the intention levels on the landing page as well. So let's suppose, if in case we are targeting the cold keywords, by cold keywords I mean uh, the keywords which are not, which shows the intentions that the prospect is not very hot right now. They might buy, or they might sign up, they might not sign up. So in that case we use different kind of landing page. But if in case the intention of the user is hot, and the intention is pretty much interested in what do you say, buying the product or signing up for the for your services, then you might use another kind of landing page for that. So the landing page depends upon the ad and the intentions of the keyword as well. uh, Another thing which you need to focus on is on the the quality score which Google's provide. So the more the quality score you get in the in Google, uh, to be honest with you, you can use the quality score to figure out if there is something wrong in the ad. But the quality score is actually not proportional to the performance. So sometimes in low quality score as well, you might get more return, uh, and sometimes in high quality score you might get less returns. So you need to manage it. But yes, quality score certainly gives you the red signs, the warning signs, if there is something wrong in your landing page, or in your ads, or in your keywords, or anywhere. So you can dissect and figure out what part of your ad is actually not performing well, and then you can improve it, and then you can you know uh, you can see, you can figure out, okay, this is where we are doing something wrong, and then you can actually improve that part of the ad. So quality score is something which you need to which you need to see, which you need to monitor regularly. And quality score actually lowers your CPC as well. So if your quality score is high, you will be paying less for the same keywords. Another thing is retargeting ads. So I know a lot of people don't use retargeting ads. They are um, not using the retargeting ads properly. Uh, Retargeting ads are the most important part in this Google AdWords, because it's not necessary that if a user comes to your website for the first time, they will buy the thing, or they will sign up for your services. It's not necessary. um, they might they might be interested in your product or service, but we aren't sure that they will actually buy the product or service. So what you need to do is you need to retarget them. You need to actually show them the ads again. You need to show them the your product or service again. You need to go to them again. You need to show your face to them again. So you can either do it via Google Display Network, or you can always do Facebook retargeting as well, along with the Google AdWords. Or you can do Google search retargeting as well. There is something which is Google search retargeting. So any of it you can do, but you should be doing it. It's very, 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 very important. So that's it for now. Apart from it, just uh, take a look on your AdWords account, review it, and then tweak it, and then review it, and then tweak it, and then review it, and then tweak it. All right. That was it for today. Bye bye. Take care.